What if nature had a Medusa? There's a real lake that seems to turn animals to stone. This isn't a horror movie set. It's Lake Natron in Tanzania, and it's one of the harshest places on Earth. The lake's water is insanely alkaline, with a pH up to 12. Think ammonia or bleach. If an animal dies here, the lake's salty chemicals preserve it, turning it into a natural mummy. They're not stone statues, just dried out, salt-crusted remains. Nature's very own freeze-dry mode. Surprisingly, flamingos live here. They've adapted to the salty conditions and even nest nearby. The world found out when photographer Nick Brandt captured these hauntingly beautiful stone animals. No magic, no curse, just nature doing what nature does best, being awesome and terrifying. Where death becomes art and salt turns tragedy into sculpture.